Tamiya Plastic Model Company, first in quality around the world. The Blackfoot. A real ground pounder is here. With tires more than 12 centimeters in diameter and a body lifted high as though riding on air. Off-roading with the Blackfoot is the perfect vehicle for breaking in new trails, and it has the styling as seen on customized American pickups. You can run it stock or customize it to your own requirements in both looks and performance. The Blackfoot opens up new vistas in off-road enjoyment. It takes a lot more than this to stop the Blackfoot, because the Blackfoot is still performing when the tracks run out. The popular space-type frame, combined with four-wheel independent suspension, a sealed gearbox with differential, and a midship mounted motor for perfect balance, is all wrapped up in a modern body styling that provides fantastic performance both on and off the road. Yes, the Blackfoot has a lot to offer. Keeping everything lined up is the frame and chassis, made from a special resin that is both light and tough. The four-wheel independent suspension system uses a double wishbone type at front and a single trailing arm type at the rear. With the sealed gearbox housing a competition differential. The motor is a track-legal Mabuchi RS 540S, which provides the speed, power, and versatility. It can be upgraded if desired to the 8.4-volt Technigold motor for even more brutal power and performance. The speed controller has 3 steps forward and 3 reverse for positive control at all times. A servo saver is utilized at the front end to protect the steering mechanics from excessive shock. The body is injection molded of styrene resin in the styling of the Ford Ranger pickup truck and is highly realistic and durable. The big tires are semi-pneumatic and functional to provide terrain clearance, speed, and long wear. Yes, it's a real mean machine with amazing performance. A real big thumper. That's the Blackfoot. See it at your dealers now. Semi-pneumatic and functional to provide terrain clearance, speed, and long wear. Yes, it's a real mean machine with amazing performance. A real big thumper. That's the Blackfoot. See it at your dealers now.